Hey, Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. I got a little quick video for you. We pulled out all the old wiring between the transom and the back of the boat. I hope you enjoy this episode, and thanks for watching. Well, I'm pulling out wire. You see there's a big pile of this stuff down here. This is all the old wire going through the ducts from the console to the back of the boat. So I'm pulling these out. Also, if you take a look in here, these are the right there, the ducts to the boat. And when I pulled it out, I pulled in a pull string. I'll clean these out, basically vacuum them out, and then with the pull string I can pull in new cables. This one right here, this goes to the gas tank. I need to pop the lid out and disconnect the gas tank. Although this is probably a good piece of wire after it's cleaned up. I'll have to see how I want to route it in the future. I expect I'll need a new gas tank. But so that's progress. Like I say, we're cleaning. The only thing I've got left is to go up under the dash. I don't know if you want to take a look under there. Here, why don't you get in the boat and I'll give you a peek under the dash. I'm laying down here and cleaning out under the console all the old wire. Some of this you just kind of do it by brute force. This goes between sides of the boat. So and then, I don't know if you can see it in here, there's hoses right here. These hoses, there are hose barbs. I don't know, you probably can't see them. Maybe if you get over on this side, I can show them to you here. There are hose barbs on the bottom of the console, and now over there, that's the gas vent and the gas fill. But if you look here, you'll see the hoses are hooked up under the console, and these are for instruments being mounted in the dash. It provides a drain. Still wondering what to do with these. I'm thinking of cutting all this out and building a new console. But we'll have to see what happens. Time will tell. So, a lot of people around here have been complaining about the price of gas. Little hint here. I went to Taco Bell and paid $2 and got all the gas I can handle. Little tip, maybe it'll help. So, I hope you enjoyed the episode. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.